Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math Problems number 42.
Math Problems number 42. So you're going on a little field trip today, so we're not actually going to be talking about math, but in your book, we're going to be starting tomorrow this new section on primes.
Yay, primes.
Primes. Do you know what a prime number is?
Well, it's a number that's only divisible by itself in 1.
Right. That is exactly right. So only divisible by itself in 1. So for example, is 6 a prime number?
Well, no, because it's divisible by 2 and 3.
Right. 6 equals 2 times 3, so it splits into smaller numbers. Okay? And but 5
is prime.
The only way to write 5 is 5 times 1, so it is prime. So, cool, right?
Yeah.
So, by convention, 1 is not prime. So the actual definition of prime numbers is an integer greater than 1, divisible by 1 or itself. So, but just remember this, 1 is not prime.
1 is not prime.
1 is not prime, okay? And that's fine, that's just a definition.
Yeah.
So that's how it's defined. It's kind of like Pluto is not a planet, right?
Yeah.
Right, just that's a definition. Okay, so let's write down some of the prime numbers. So let's start with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, I'll put 1 there and we'll cross it out. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, 1 is not a prime by definition. Is 2 prime?
Well, it's what so I think so.
Yeah, the only way to write it is 2 times 1. You can't factor it any other way. How about 3?
3 is prime.
Is prime. 3 times 1 is the only way to write it. What about 4?
2 times 2.
2 times 2, not prime. What about 5? Oh, we already said it.
Yeah.
What about 6? Oh, we already said it. What about 7?
Well, yeah. I think
Yeah.
I think all even numbers are not prime
Except for 2.
except for 2.
Right, that's right. So 7 is prime. 8's not because it's 2 times 4. What about 9? Maybe all odd numbers are prime. What about 9?
Well, 9 I think so. I think so. Wait, let's check.
How could I write 9? What's another way to write 9?
Oh, 3 times 3.
3 times 3, aha! 9 is not prime. 10's not prime because it's divisible by 2. What about 11?
Well, 11, I think it's prime.
It is prime. No number's going to it. 12.
2 times 6.
2 times 6, 13.
Prime. Wait, no. Well, let's...
It's not 2 times anything. Is it 3 times anything?
It's... No, it's not.
No, it's not 5 times anything. It's not 7 times anything. So it is prime. How about that? 14?
2 times 7.
15?
15... Well... Divisible by 3.
3 times 5. 16? Let me cross out 18 and 22.
Because they're 2 times 10 and 2 times 9.
It turns out 17 and 19 are also prime. So we get a lot of primes in the beginning.
And only... We've got a rule saying all even numbers except 2 are not prime.
Yeah, we discovered that rule. All even numbers except 2 are not prime. Awesome. So there's an introduction to the prime numbers. We'll talk about them a little more tomorrow. Excited?
Yeah.
All right. Good job, sweetie. Good job today.